Today's lecture I am going to explain syntax. In linguistics, syntax refers to the rules that govern the ways in which words combine to form phrases, clauses, and sentences. The term syntax comes from the Greek meaning arrange together. The term is also used to mean the study of the syntactic properties of a language. Now I am going to explain the meaning of syntax. Syntax means the arrangement of words in sentences, clauses, and phrases, and the study of the formation of sentences. And according to the linguistics, the meaning of syntax is the set of rules, principles, and processes that govern the structure of sentences. It means the sentence structure in a given language, usually including word order. Now I am going to explain what is syntax. Syntax is the proper order of words in a phrase or sentence. Syntax is a tool used in writing proper grammatical sentences. Native speakers of a language learn correct syntax without realizing it. The complexity of a writer's or a speaker's sentences creates a formal or informal level of diction that is presented to its audience. It is a syntax that gives the words the power to relate to each other in a sequence, to carry meaning of whatever kind, as well as glow individually in just the right place. Now I am going to explain the importance of syntax or the scope of syntax. Words are formed with speech sounds. Sentences are built up with words. For example, k, a, t should be taken to frame the word cat. We study such a structure of sentences. Thus, sentences are built up with words. However, we cannot assemble the components randomly. In fact, everything in language is rule governed. For example, if we randomly assemble sounds, it would not make a word. For instance, k, a, t should be taken in this sequence to frame the word cat. If we taken them as a, t, k, it would not be any word. Similarly, we cannot just pick up a set of words, put them together and declare that it is a sentence. On the contrary, they are taken into an order with a proper grammatical rules. Thus we get a structure of sentence. In this way, syntax studies such a structure of sentences. Now I am going to explain structure of a sentence, or what is the structure of a sentence. The parts with which a sentence is built. Number 2, the way in which the parts of a sentence are arranged. For example, a sentence, I want these books. The above mentioned sentence is structured according to grammar rules. If we use words randomly, the sentence will remain non-grammatical. For example, these want I books. This is ungrammatical sentence because the word order of sentence is totally changed. According to the grammar, there is a rule of sentence S plus V plus O means subject plus object plus subject plus verb plus object, SVO. That's why the present one sentence, I want these books. I stands for yes, want for verb, and books also stands for object. That's why according to the structure of the grammatical rules, S plus V plus O, this sentence is correctly arranged according to the grammar rules. Now, in conclusion, I would like to say that in syntax we study the structure of sentences. The above sentence, which is made of words which are thus its parts, it is remarkable thing is the way in which they are arranged. In the sentence, the words are randomly stringed together, but in accordance with grammar rules. And if we use the words randomly, the sentence will remain ungrammatical or not meaningful. That's why in the English language or according to the linguistics, the structure of a sentence, the study of sentence, that is syntax, played a very important role. Thank you.